What will you do if you can't shut off the hot water valve? In addition, oh no, how am I shut off the water? Oh no! In this older style house, it doesn't have any shut off valve under the sink for the hot or cold water. What am I going to do? So we're going to my parents' basement. That's the furnace. Here's the hot water heater. So there's no shut off valve for the warm or cold water under the sink. So I had to look at the pipe and I had to turn it perpendicular to the piping because it was parallel. That means it's on. I had to shut it off. So this is the hot water coming from the hot water heater. I had to shut it off, so that shuts it off to the whole house. Okay, because it's an older style, there's no shut off valve on under the sink. And I made the mistake. Don't make the same mistake of turning off the gas, which I did. I thought that was a water line, but I should have in a hurry. But this is the yellow is supposed to be for the gas line. Okay. So we have to replace.
依家冇水啦，係咪？
係下邊
Turn off the
嗰個咩都咩？嗰年嗰個烈士嗰個唔聲慣啲
邊啊？邊個整個廁所香港整幾多錢啊？大概唔係啊，整賣嗰個。
買嗰個啦，呢個關
So
唔
we
到。
try to replace this. This is the water valve.
係啦，嗱都關唔到啦，關唔貼啊，關唔貼啊，關唔貼呢個。
Can't close the valve.
關唔貼呢個關唔貼咪啦，關唔貼。
See, it won't close all the way. See the opening? So what will happen if I turn on the cold water? Water will sprout out from that end. Look what happens if I turn on the water in the shower. Water comes out here, so be careful. In other parts of the house, make sure you're not using the water while you're fixing this. Okay, so we bought a new stem valve. Không có phun nhé. Now just tighten it.
邊個咁舊？
Okay, now we put the handle back on. Just tighten that and push this back on here. Now we can turn on the water. Now I'm gonna turn the lever back to on. Okay, it works. See, before I was leaking water. Now it's fine.
嗱呢個黑一隻箍喺呢邊嘅，
Yeah, just,
買錯就唔得㗎。呢個黑。
Oh, make sure you buy the right one because I just separate hot. There's a hot and cold water. I wouldn't know. Alright, that's how you replace it.